Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuket channel with ZW3D 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create simple LED screw. First we can create a new part, and the next I will click sketch. You can choose a blue plane. In here we can create a circle object start from this point, and I will give a radius in here into 12. The next we can create circle again start from this point. We give a radius for the circles into 2, and now I will give this 10. You can click a constraint, click a quick dimension. You can click a center point in here into the center point, and we give this 10 in here into 8. Okay. The next I will use a circular pattern. You can click sketch, and then you can click a basic editing. We use a pattern. For base, we can select these circles. Okay, you can use a circular pattern, and for center point, we can click at this point. You also can change into spacing for a number and span, and for number we can set into 4. You can click OK. The next we can close this sketch, and then I will convert into 3D models with the extrude command. You can click extrude. You can select this profile, and I will extrude with extrusion in here 3. You can click OK. The next I will create circle again at this face. You can click sketch and then select at this face. Click OK. Now we can create circle start from this point. We can set for a radius in here into 4, and the next circle start from this point with a radius 3. Okay, you can close sketch. We use extrusion again. You can click extrude and select this profile. Use this option, and then I will select at this face. You can click apply. The next I will move this point to the bottom, and then I will use a remove tools, so it will be removed and create holes. You can click OK. The next we can use extrusion again. You can select this profile, and then we can extrude to the top into 10 point. You can use add option. You can click OK to apply. Now in here I will use a chamfer command. We can set for chamfer into 0,2, and I will select at this face. Okay, we can select this face one by one. Okay, you can click OK to apply. Now we already chamfer these models. We also can chamfer at this edge. You click chamfer and then select this edge. You can click apply. I will create again for a new plane in here. You can click sketch and then use this option. You can click these red arrows and then use insert dentum. I will use this option, and next you can click start from this point. Okay, you can set into middle point in here, and then you can move into here. Now we can move to the bottom here. You can click OK, and then you can click apply. The next we can create a rectangle object in here. Okay, sorry, I will create a polygon object in here with set 3. You can click here polygon, and for set we can set into 3, and we can use this option. Now I will click at this point. Okay, and then we can move into this point. The next I will use move tools. You can click basic editing and click move. You can move with point to point. For entities we can select these objects, and from a point we can click from this point into some point in here. You can click OK. The next I will change for this cat. You can click constraint, and first I will use a fix command. You can click at this point. The next we can use a quick dimension. I will click start from this point and move into here. You can click at this point, and then we also can create start from this point into here and click at this point. The next we can create from this point into here, and then you can move to the top. You can set in here into 0,21. We also can set in here 0,21. Okay, the next you can change for this dimension into 0,25, and the last in here we set into 0,25. Okay, you can close CAD. And now in here I will use move tools. You can click these objects and you can click basic editing, click move. Okay, you can move in z-axis. Okay, you can move to the top and you can click apply. Now we can use a drive command, and then for face you can select this face. For profile we can select this profile. Okay, and next you can click this option, reverse spiral direction. It will be move to the bottom, and now you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this simple lattice screw with GW3D software. Okay, enough today for GW3D 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D lattice screw. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.